Number
Go,
20
bro!
on the carry, stays on his feet. Bryson Ellis breaking all kinds of tackles in the backfield.
Attaboy, Bryson!
First down. Finally brought down by number 84, Tanner Carroll. Give again goes to number 24, Ellis, who will be tackled this time. Number 84, Tanner Carroll, and number 1, Christian Clark will combine to make the stop that time. Ladies and gentlemen, we do want to let you know the hamburgers are ready at the concession stand. I just got mine and it smells great. Number 24, Bryson Ellis. You're out.
Come on, Bryson!
Into the end zone. There are no flags on the play. Touchdown, Blue
Yes,
Devils.
sir.
Good job, Bryson! Isaiah, get up there so you can be ready to go.